Who? Grandma? Who is that? That's right, Grandma. Grandma. Yeah, Grandmama. Can you say, hi, Grandma? Can you tell her hi? Hi. Hey. Baby? And who else? Who is that lady? That's right, Grandma. You're so smart. Can you say, blow her kisses? Good job. Give Grandma a kiss. Good job. Do you love Grandma? Oh, good job. Do you love Grandma? Oh, good job. Can you give her huggies? Give her a hug. Can you give her a hug? Bye-bye. Two grandmas. How was there two grandmas? Can you say bye-bye?